in our reflections and the weekly actions for September 18th through to the 24th. So I'm going to set up my page here, talk through my wins, what worked, what didn't, lessons, adjustments, etc. from last week, and then we'll get into planning out what I got to do for the week coming up. So as always, I'm using the Makselife washi tape for my checklists, if I can find the ends. And this is just, what I like about this is that I can pick a win for each of the different areas. So that way I can really see kind of where I feel like I've accomplished things and where I've got things to work on. So I've lost all the footage of me going through my reflections, my weekly actions, and setting up for the week in a vertical, in the vertical weekly spread. So I'm going to have to film all this again, just walking through my reflections from the previous week, my weekly actions for the week beginning September 18th to the 24th, and then I'll show you how I used a sticky kit from Harriet Wright Designs called Autumn Leaves, to plan for the week ahead. So reflections from last week. So this last week I used this kit from Anna Rach Designs. I'll leave her linked below, but it was a very in limbo week. We had a hospital appointment on Monday for my son. Found out he needs surgery to fix his fractured knee, and he had an MRI later that day, but we haven't heard anything back from the hospital. We have got an appointment scheduled already for tomorrow, which is Monday, so we're hoping that we'll get a little bit more information there about the type of surgery that he needs and the timelines with all of that, because at the moment, like I said, it's just been living in limbo, and trying to plan anything has been really hard. Trying to focus on anything but the next day or even that day has been really hard. Just waiting to hear back from the hospital. So we've got an appointment tomorrow. Hopefully that means that I can have a little bit more, a little bit less like I'm floating around. It will anchor me a little bit. So things that worked then, so I did upload a video it went up yesterday. I filmed some sticker play, which I'm really excited about. We had some family fun night, a family movie night last night. We watched Guardians of the Galaxy 1, which my little one said it was epic. We've also got back into work last week, so although I was in work the very first week of the school term, I didn't actually get a chance to teach because of my son's accident, his football injury. So I did go back to work this week and managed to teach some lessons. I've met all my most of my classes now. There's just one class that I've yet to meet, but that's a year 7 class. So I'm looking forward to meeting them next week. And the other classes seem fab too. Eager to get started, especially my year 12s, which I always love in the beginning of in September. So yeah, and then I do need to sort of break down a filming schedule really. My fun and recreation, I should be good. I need to make sure I schedule in work for my masters as well, and then focus on getting some sort of routine with my kiddos. We've been very good at like having our dinners together now that we've moved some furniture around in our living space. So we need to keep that up. And then I do want to start 21 Days to Tone, find a place in my schedule for some Bible study, and then yeah, my in-laws are coming this weekend, so the 22nd. I need to make sure my house is ready for them. So that is basically what my weekly actions are. So to schedule filming, outline the videos and get those filmed and uploaded. We've got a Pokemon Community Day on Saturday, I found out. I don't know what sort of day it is yet, as I haven't opened my Pokemon app recently. But we'll see if we can do some playing with that. My in-laws will be here, so we'll have to see. The place that we want to go with my sister and brother-in-law, my in-laws would actually really love to go to too, so hopefully that's something that we can combine together, but it all depends on whether my son can get around and what is happening with him. So again, hard to plan. I do have a welcome call as part of my master's course at 4 o'clock on Wednesday, so I need to make sure that I get childcare sorted out for that, and I do have some pre-reading to do that I want to schedule in. I've printed everything off, I just need to actually read it, but I've got some really cute notebooks to make notes on, so hopefully that will inspire me or at least get the ball rolling. Family and relationships this week is going to be about the habits, so dinner together and reading to them. If I want to finish Prisoner of Azkaban in September, I'm going to have to actually do some reading with them. Then I do want to start my 21 Days to Tone program, so I have that scheduled in for the first week, and then I need to really focus about this 3 hours before bedtime rule for eating, because I've not been good for either of these things last week, so that's something that I need to focus on. Try and find some Lectio time. I'm thinking I need to go back to using my Routinery app so that I have my structured morning routine, because at the moment it's very fluid, which has been fine, but I'm not getting the things done that I want to get done. So if I want to get them done, then I need to obviously schedule that in. Then I need to just we've got coming into the final weeks of September, so maybe I need to pull out some more cash and just keep better track of everything that's going on there. And then physical environment is clean everywhere, ready for my in-laws to come in, especially my bedroom. So this is how I've planned the week using that sticker kit from Harriet Wright Designs. It's Autumn Leaves. I did pull in this sticker from Nikki Plus 3, which is her weekly cleaning tracker. I believe she still has these on her website. I'll link her site. I'll link her Etsy shop next down below. And then the date dots I used were from the Makselife, as I've used in previous videos. So they are just the Makselife date dots. They look a bit like this. I had to fudge a few together, so I used some grey, some orange and some red, but they all kind of blend together. I think it's quite nice. And then this First Day of Autumn sticker is from KElizabeth Plans. It is from a sheet that I've had since 2019. She actually is no longer open anymore, I'm afraid, so you won't actually be able to get this sticker sheet or any else from hers, but I had it in my stash. I wanted to use it, so I did bring it in for the Saturday, which is the first day of autumn. So yeah, so as you can see, I've got some things scheduled already. So I've got my hospital appointment with my son, I've got my welcome meeting, and then it's Pokemon Day. I'm going to write underneath what the Pokemon is for that particular day. Then I've also got in my workouts, so I could remember the first 5 workouts. I can't remember. I think day 6 is a rest day, and then Sunday is a full body tone. I feel like that's what it is, but I will just double check my cheat sheet in my bullet journal for that. I do have spaces to put my videos that I want to upload and spaces to film. And then I've got what I'm going to be doing in my PPA time at school. So I might have a cover on Tuesday morning, and then I need to print for the week. I need to mark my year 13s. They're doing an end of topic test. And then I need to call some parents to make positive calls. We try and check in with them. I need to go through some other whole school lessons that I have prepared for the whole of the school, make sure they're all ready for the following week. And then I do still need to print for enrichment. And the enrichment we're doing this week is Conserve the Animals. So my in-laws are coming down for this week, so this day is also going to be a very heavy cleaning day, hence the cleaning tracker. And then, yeah, we'll have some time. I don't know what we'll do in the day. It depends on how my son is and what they want to do, but we'll see. We might be able to go out, hopefully get some fresh air for him. It all depends on whether they're not there's surgery. So this all might go completely out the plan if surgery's on Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or any of the days. But this is what I would like it to be. So I'm going to have to leave. I'll leave it there for you guys to just scan over. But yeah, this is my plan for the week beginning the 18th. Obviously, this could all change, and that's fine. That's why I have my other sticker planner that I like to play with and more on a daily basis. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Sorry it wasn't actually a process video. I filmed it several times and I realised I was saving it in the wrong place. So I do apologise for that. Hopefully the next time you see a Makselife video, it will be more of a process video rather than a talk through. But thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. Oh my days, I cannot get my words out. And I will see you in a video very, very soon. Bye guys.